People who said, I am not what I thought I'll become, the quick or best way to exit. Let me take my life. And this is a spirit. We can't attribute it to anything else but the spirit. And how do we fight that? How do we fight that? I refuse to have victims around me when God gave me the power to turn everybody to a victor.
He says we are wonderfully and fearfully made. When God had done everything, he said it is good.
Yes, sir.
So you're already living in this earth with a stamp from heaven that you are good enough. It doesn't matter even if you don't meet the societal standards that people have placed. But when God created you, he said you are good enough. And you need to know that as you came here, you are good enough. You know, whenever a manufacturer, especially with cars, when a car is made, it goes through a test crash. They are testing everything that can possibly go wrong. And even after they've seen what can go wrong, now they approve it that it's good to go into the market. That's what happened with God. He made you and he allowed you to be on this earth with all your defects. It doesn't matter. Even if you look at yourself in the mirror, there are things that you don't like about yourself. But God approved you and said you are right the way you are and you have all that it takes to make it in life.